Importance of cleaning for food safety. Understanding soil. Many soils are associated with food processing. Common organic soils include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and petroleum. Soils can come from lubricants and greases used in food processing equipment. Metalworking fluids and lubricants can be petroleum-based or bio-based, and/or may be complex, proprietary mixtures of organic and inorganic material. Inorganic soils in food processing include salts, water stone, calcium nitrate, food stone, example, calcium oxalate, and metallic deposits like rust and oxides from processing equipment. Cleaning is a process. Effective disinfection starts with cleaning. Cleaning is a process, not just pouring a chemical onto a surface, wiping it around, and declaring that the surface has been cleaned, disinfected, and sanitized. There are 3 steps in a complete cleaning process. Times washing. The function of the wash step is to ensure that the cleaning agent makes contact with the soil on the surface. Times rinsing. Thorough rinsing is essential to remove the cleaning agent. Times drying removes water and volatile residue. Tactful cleaning. Cleaning processes involve tact, temperature, action, chemistry, and time. In general, higher temperatures promote cleaning effectiveness. For every 10 degrees Celsius increase in temperature, the reaction rate doubles. Action is the physical force that promotes soil removal. Terms like emulsification, saponification, peptizing agents, and dispersive agents translate to a host of chemical ingredients, not all of which are listed on the safety data sheet. The correct time is required at the wash, rinse, and dry stages. Training and a food safety culture. Effective cleaning is not likely to happen without effective employee training and without monitoring employee performance of the cleaning tasks. Developing company values where food safety is an inherent part of corporate culture is essential. Time invested in training programs that include not only the rules but also the reasons behind the rules is time very well spent. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.